We enrich nearly every product or service in some way. We even enrich ourselves with degrees and professional training. But I have an idea. Why not enrich your organization by introducing greater quality into every processes with these 3 steps? 1. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of the now. Is everybody in your organization or team on the same page? 2. Resist the urge to reach for solutions that you have tried before. Encourage your team with the spirit of collaboration. And don't forget to apply a blanket no blame, all ideas welcome policy to encourage fearless engagement from all participants. 3. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Set your sights high. Don't give up until you have the solution that will thrill your customers. Be adventurous, but be realistic. And remember that sometimes doing the best is the one thing you can do easiest.